Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that what is computer algorithm. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, and with respect to computer science, this is a very important topic. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So friend, let's start. What is computer algorithm? Whenever we want to execute some task through computer, we have to give some instruction to a computer. So this list of instruction and rules that computer needs to do to complete any task, that is called as computer algorithm. Okay, in essence, the algorithms are simply a series of instructions that are followed step by step by computer to do something useful or solve any problem or produce some result. Just consider algorithm as a simple cooking or cake recipe, for example. So cake recipe is a very simple or general example of an algorithm. Like whenever you are making some food item, so you need an recipe that will describe the step by step process to create to create or produce some food item. So the food recipe is a very good example of an algorithm. Similarly, like you are following the same process of step by step to create some food item, similarly in the algorithm as well, we are giving the instructions list of instruction to computer to produce some output or result or solve some problem. Here how computer algorithm basically works. The computer algorithm takes the input, okay, then process it the input step by step as per the algorithm, and then produce the output. So this is the process of algorithm. For example, just take an example of search engine like Google, for example. So Google take a search query, like you type something that you want to query something. It takes the search query as an input, then apply the algorithm on the database step by step, and then produce the result query or result output to you, now which match your requirement or query. You can easily visualize algorithm as a flowchart. The input leads to step and questions that needs handling in order. When each section of the flowchart is completed, the generated result is the output. Just another take as another example of very simple example, that for example you are receiving emails from many sources. You want to filter out those emails and which are related to which are having the billing information, and then you want to put that information into an Excel sheet. Okay, this is the scenario which you want to automate. Now the emails which you are receiving from multiple or several sources, it will be considered as input for you. Okay, then you have to scan those emails and find the data which is relevant to the billing information, and then filter out those emails. Okay, and then you have to put it into the Excel sheet. So the scanning, step by step scanning of emails and getting the information of billing from the emails, so it will be considered as the processing. Once the processing will complete, you will get the required data of billing from the emails and place it and store it into the Excel sheet, which will have the relevant or required information of billing. So the Excel sheet will be considered as the output. So this will be a very simple example of algorithm. So friend, thanks for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.